Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, click on the gray switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature to activate it. As you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same no blue switcher. You can also go into Tab menu and click on this little icon with a sun next to brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. You can switch it off by clicking on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!